हेलो बच्चों, लेट्स रीड द क्वेश्चन. अ बॉडी ऑफ मास 1 kg begins to move under the action of a time dependent force F is equal 2t I cap plus 3t square j cap. Okay, that means the body is moving in a plane which is x and y, where I and j are unit vectors along x and y axis. Okay, what power will be the developed by the force at the time t? ये क्वेश्चन आपका बेटा वर्क पावर एनर्जी से है. और इसमें जो टॉपिक लग रहा है उसके पहले की कॉन्सेप्ट की बात कर लेते हैं. इसमें बेटा की कॉन्सेप्ट ये है कि जो हमारा पावर होता है, ठीक है, दैट पावर इज एफ वेक्टर डॉट वी वेक्टर. ओके, हाउ इज इट कम्स? क्योंकि पावर बेटा हमारा होता है रेट ऑफ वर्क डन. ओके, देन डी ओवर डी टी इट विल फोर्स इनटू displacement. Okay, after differentiating forces along and the displacement is differentiated, so it becomes v vector. So power is f vector dot v vector. Okay, so we have f vector and we need what? V vectors, but v vector is not given. Okay, तो v vector के लिए बेटा हमें क्या 1 kg गिवन है. क्या? मास ऑफ द बॉडी. क्या गिवन है बेटा? मास ऑफ द बॉडी. Second law of Newton, and the second law of Newton, it's saying F vector is equal mass into acceleration. So our acceleration will be 1 upon m and F vector. So mass is what? Mass is given is 1 kg. So our acceleration vector will be equal to F vector. Okay, so F vector is given how much? 2t I cap plus 3t square j cap. So it will 2t I cap plus 3t square j cap. Now acceleration becomes how much? dv over, so it will be 2t I cap plus 3t square j cap. Okay, so dv vector will be 2t I cap plus 3t square j cap dt. For the whole v, we just differentiate it. 2t I cap plus 3t square j cap dt है ना. and the time is given कितना? for t. okay, for t, so we can apply the limit 0 to t. So now differentiate it. So v becomes, the differentiation will be, integration will be 2t. That means it will be t square upon 2. That means 2 t square upon 2 and will be I cap plus 3, and it will be t cube by 3 j cap, limit from 0 to t. So 3 will be cancel out, 2 will be cancel out, so the velocity becomes t square I cap plus t cube j cap from 0 to t. Upper limit minus lower limit, then velocity become t square I cap plus t cube j cap minus 0 and minus 0. So our velocity vector become, these all are vectors. Okay, understood thing? t square I cap plus t cube j cap. Now use a formula, what? That the power is F vector dot v vector. F vector is given कितना? 2t I cap plus 3t square j cap. 2t I cap plus 3t square j cap dot, our velocity is t square I cap plus t cube j cap. So multiplying scalar product, हम आई कैप और आई कैप के कोफिशिएंट का मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ये हमारा हो जाएगा 2t to the power 3 प्लस 3t to the power 5. Okay, so let's match the answer. It is 2t to the power 3 and 3 to the power 4 watts. Okay, I hope you have understood it well. Best of luck.